We are here at a Burger King on Canary Islands, in Spain. We got this coffee as a promotion deal for €1. In Spain you can get your coffee together with ice cream. This is how the Burger King coffee cups look like. The coffee already adopted the color of the ice cream. You get the topical Sundae ice cream, like it is used and known everywhere around the world. You have to stir a lot to dissolve the coffee with the ice cream. The ice is cooling down the coffee and making an iced coffee out of it. Like you can see, there are still small ice cream pieces staying in the coffee. It tastes super sweet and delicious. The best thing about this crazy combination is that you won't need any more sugar to your coffee. Now we are going to enjoy this coffee at the beach. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.